5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Into turn 2 right and care turn 2 left over very narrow ridge, don't cut. Into long 6 left, 120. After bridge, turn 4 left, gravel. And 6 left, 30, turn 2 left. Into 3 right. 50, turn 2 right, don't cut. Into turn 2 right. 50, turn 2 left, don't cut. Into 3 left, 50. 6 left, 30. Bump, 30. 6 left, 50, split, and long 4 left. 5 right, tightens over crest. Into long 5 left, tightens, don't cut. And 6 right into 6 left, through dip. Into keep right over crest, and 6 left over crest. Into long 6 right, tightens, and long 6 left, tightens to 5 over crest. Into long 6 right, and crest, and long 5 right, into turn 5 right. Straight 30, care right, split and turn 2 left. And long 6 right, 30, turn open hairpin right. Into long 6 left and turn 3 left, and 2 right. And 5 left opens, 30, turn 2 left. 50, turn 2 left, gravel. 34 right, into 2 left over crest, turn 3 right opens, very long. Into 6 left over crest, and long 4 right tightens to 3. Into 6 left, 30, turn hairpin left, tar. 50 split, and 5 left over crest, tightens. 6 right and left, 30. Long 5 right, into 6 left, opens long and tightens. Into long 5 right over crest. Into 6 right over bumps and 5 left. Into jump and 6 left. And 6 right narrows, straight 50. Turn 6 left, and long 5 left, and 4 left over finish, and 6 right and left to stop.